Are you looking for an unforgettable travel experience? Look no further than the Hemis Festival in Ladakh, India. This vibrant celebration is a highlight of the region's cultural calendar and is sure to leave you with lasting memories. Prepare to be dazzled by vibrant costumes, mesmerizing dances, and a celebration like no other. So, fasten your seatbelts and let's dive head first into this whirlwind of color, culture, and pure joy. Every year, in the 5th lunar month of the Tibetan calendar, usually around June or July, the charming village of Hemis, nestled amidst the rugged terrain of Ladakh, comes alive with the magic of the Hemis Festival. The Hemis Festival 2024 will take place from June 16 to 17 at Hemis Monastery in Leh, Ladakh. Hemis Monastery, the largest and wealthiest Buddhist monastery in Ladakh, sets the stage for this grand spectacle. Situated 45 kilometers southeast of Leh, the capital of Ladakh, the monastery is perched on a serene hilltop, surrounded by awe-inspiring mountains. Let's take a quick look at the main events of Hemis Festival, Ladakh, the mesmerizing Cham Dance. Prepare to be enthralled as the masked lamas, dressed in ornate costumes representing various deities, take center stage. The Cham Dance, a spellbinding ritualistic performance, unfolds like a living painting, depicting ancient Buddhist tales and legends. The dancers, with their elaborate masks, whirl and twirl to the rhythm of traditional music, casting a mystical spell over the audience. It's a spectacle that transports you to a realm where time stands still. The ancient tradition of Sechu. The Hemis Festival is incomplete without the Sechu, a unique ceremony that symbolizes the triumph of good over evil. A mock battle is reenacted between the forces of light and darkness, where masked performers embody divine figures and engage in dramatic confrontations. This gripping portrayal serves as a reminder of the eternal struggle between virtue and malevolence. The delights of Ladakhi cuisine. No journey is complete without savoring the local flavors, and the Hemis Festival offers a perfect opportunity to tantalize your taste buds with Ladakhi delicacies. From piping hot thakpa, noodle soup, to scrumptious momos, dumplings, and the irresistible butter tea, the food stalls at the festival will leave you craving for more. Don't forget to indulge in Ladakh's famous apricot jam and relish the rich flavors of the region. The vibrant procession. As the festival commences, Hemis Monastery buzzes with fervor. The beating of drums, the clash of cymbals, and the resonating sound of ceremonial horns announce the arrival of the sacred Thankar, a vibrant, centuries-old religious tapestry. Carried by lamas through the monastery's courtyard, this magnificent Thankar is unveiled only once every 12 years, attracting devotees and travelers from far and wide. How to reach Hemis? By air. Nearest airport is Leh Airport, 34 kilometers away from Hemis. From the airport, you can take a cab to Hemis. By train, the nearest station is Jammu Tawi railway station and take a cab from the station to Hemis. By bus, car, bike. Many travel enthusiasts also take road trip to Ladakh to enjoy the Hemis Festival, and this ride also has its own unique charm. Needless to say, the Hemis Festival is not just a destination, it's a voyage of the spirit, an exploration of the intangible beauty that resides within us all. As the last strains of music fade away and the echoes of laughter recede, the Hemis Festival leaves an indelible mark on your heart and soul. It's a celebration that transcends boundaries and connects people through a shared love for culture, tradition, and spirituality. And as you witness the grandeur of the festival, remember that the truest journey is the one that leads you within, to the core of your being, where you discover the beauty that lies in embracing the unknown. Brace yourself for a once-in-a-lifetime adventure that will forever linger in your memories, beckoning you to return to this magical land again and again. To know more, you can check out the Go Travel Blogger Guide. Details are in description. Follow and subscribe for more. Thank you.